We were fortunate enough to pull it off on Wednesday. Hopefully we'll do it again today.
And then you find the right one with the right handling for the boat, it makes all the difference. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Or you know, if it's fixed, don't break it. But when we're right, we're right. So that's usually we don't mess with it. Because the more you mess with things, the more you fuss with it, the bigger the troubles you create sometimes.
That's our best guess based on its previous performance. That's the prop calculation say that's the one we should use. Mother Nature may say something different when we get out there. But go, 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 go.
It's a race.
We've known Mike from Mr. Z's. Gosh, they've been with us for probably 5 or 6 years now. Blue Heaven has been with us for, I think this is year 17, maybe even 18.
2021 Key West Powerboats. Go fast. I hope we win today.
And then Ron came on this year with Harpoon Harry's.
Good luck, guys. We're with you.
But we really enjoy working with the local Key West community and the local business owners to support the event. Yeah, this is the World Championship.
So how are you going to get
This is for all the marbles, man, because we're racing. And we're not out there goofing off on Wednesday. You know, they say that you can't win Key West on Wednesday, but you can lose the entire thing. I don't know a whole lot of guys that on Wednesday when the green flag drops buy into that. It's a full out race. And after 3 days of hard racing, whoever has the most points, there's your world champion. This is what they call a class 2 boat. It's a bracketed class of 100 miles per hour. So if we go 101 miles per hour, we're actually penalized. When we raced on Wednesday, they come and check our GPSs, and the throttleman has got to be on the numbers. Before you know it, you can go from running you know, 99.2, 99.3, before you know it, you're at 101. Yeah, it's pretty sporty sometimes.
It is.
But right now, we're keeping our eye on Team Woody. Everybody in the class you gotta watch out for, but I know he's coming.
Oh yeah, they're good friends of ours. Been waiting years to race that boat. They're gonna have an advantage today with those big waves out. It's 4 to 5 foot out there between turn 1 and turn 2. So we're gonna go out there and see what we can do.
I fully expect he and I to go in rub rail to rub rail all the way through turn 1. Absolutely.
It's going to be interesting coming out of turn 2 because we call it the wall. You know, you hit the wall in Key West because it's a wall of water. So Eddie Tamburino will be throttling today, and Scott Brown will be the driver.
Look at George's boat.
Green.
He's going to get towed in. It's probably, hopefully, something simple there.
Don't know, we're trying to figure it out. It's a hiccup. We've done this before. I mean, blue big time, and we've won on Sundays. Hopefully we can get the parts. That's all we need.
Ass boat racing.
This is the best part. I mean, because this is where you find out, you know, what went wrong, how bad it is. Do we have the parts to get it back? We do have a spare motor. We got 2 things going on. We got an engine issue on one side, and we got a drive issue on the other, which is odd. But usually you get one or the other, not both at the same time. So hopefully it's something simple on both, and then we'll be right back at it. The more parts they take off, the scarier it gets. That's what racing's about. It'd be nice if you could just show up, race, win. We all want to win.
We found a crack in one of these valve springs. A little crack like right down the bottom of it.
Oh yeah, that's it. And that was it.
You can probably
see it. I can see it. Yeah. I want to know what happened with the other one. So trying to put it in gear, and I'll see if I can hear anything. Matter. Now what?
You don't think it's that
I want to get a screwdriver. I want to see what the magnet looks like in there.
Well, there's your problem.
There you go. That's metal inside, and that's a lot. There shouldn't be anything on there. We're gonna find a drive of some sort. But how are you gonna be able to fix it with all gears? Where are they all coming from?
Ideally, if we had another upper to put on there, change the upper, check the lower, put it back together, and run it.
We still have time. We have a whole day tomorrow. And we do have at least Friday. 4 or 5 hours on Sunday. It's just, we need the parts. That's all. But you know what? We're not giving up. We're still gonna run. And I'll tell you, we've been in worse situations and still won. So we'll see you on Sunday. Don't count us out. I can get that done. We'll be out there Sunday. I don't care what you say. We'll be there.
All right.
Key West TV, Key West at the World Championships, right? There's nothing like it in the whole wide world. And this is not only a great place to come because of all the people, the fans here, but it's a great place to race. The water here is the most challenging. They're good guys. Yeah, been around a long time. They race hard. They got a good V bottom.
Too bad they broke a drive on one motor and they broke a motor on the other side at the same time. Hey, you know what? That's part of it, man. But I think they're going to be in it. We're going to go help them tomorrow and try to get them back together. I don't want to win by someone breaking and staying on the trailer, and they don't want to either. So whatever we can do to help them get over there, that's what we're going to do.
American Powerboat Association Racing. This is spec class racing.
The end of race number 1, the RWO Offshore World Championships, and this place is packed.
More or less rebuilt the engine in the boat. So we'll find out today. So we don't quit. Actually, it sounded better than before.
Just something that you do to help other racers stay competitive and be within their realm of racing. I mean, they would help me and I would help them. So it's just something we do. So.
We should get a checkered flag then. We don't come to race, we come to win.
Right now, make sure it chips. Okay. Before you get it in the water.
I've never really seen them race. So we'll see what happens.
Such superstitious.
I mean,
Drop it on it. Come on. Go green. Green.
did you see that?
I know.
Woo! Hey! Ready for first lap. What did I tell you?
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh, look what happened. Look it. He took him in the corner.
Yeah.
Come on, give me that smile, buddy. I need that smile. Yeah, go, go down. Oh, yeah,
That's unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you, I appreciate it. A lot of fun.
Joey Cook, you've been enamored with that hurricane awesomeness boat.
Thank you, sir.
Exactly.
They hit 100, according to the GPS, they hit 100 right on it. We're gonna look at the data.
The guys worked all night, new drive. Half that motor got rebuilt just to hopefully get out here and make it. And to turn around and win it? What, are you kidding me? But that's boat racing.
Somehow we always pull it off. We don't.
Yeah!
Winner, a winner.
Kept it under 100? We kept it right on.
He was right there, then it
The
was.
GPS is 100.00. Got a world championship again. Number 3.
Are you kidding me? That is the best feeling in the world. I'm shocked. And I expected it, I guess. Way to go, guys.
Yeah. That's all. That's like 3 years in a row now.
That's crazy, man.
It is a pleasure for the first time since 1987 to say this is an APBA UI. Dave Gallagher, second place today. American Powerboat Association World Champions in bracket class 200. The Wix developer, There they are. Race World Offshore, waving the checker flag for the Wix team.
Gotta pull it down though.
Want to remind all. And now we're going to move on to bracket class 100.
That's it, baby. That's what it's all about.
Here they come, Cigarette Justice League, world champions in bracket spotlight.
Really?
Boy, great things to come in this class. American Powerboat Association.
I don't know.
Team MTL.
What's that?